working on the RX-7 today. Why? Because this dickhead wants to do more work onto his car. So we've got to drop the transmission and let's hope we go from there.
What a gearbox, mate.
Same shit, mate. Fuck off. So I clearly made all the progress here. Look at that. I did all that. And yet, let's get stuck.
Which way you're
Other way. No. Other way.
That's the way I was going. Jack.
That's what I said, and you just turned it. Yeah, and then you can kind of get like... I'm not gonna lie, pass us a sip, bro.
See if we can just drag it around onto the cardboard now. Hang on, it's gonna catch on. It's catching over here.
See, clearly I'm doing all the work.
I reckon if we can pull the jack out.
You want me to go from the back?
Yeah. Oh, fuck it. Oh, you're fucking kidding. 3.
What?
Go.
Lift, put it down?
Yeah, hang on. It's sitting on this bar here. Pull it back towards you a little bit. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, see, I think we need to lift the car up more to get it out.
Yeah, it's not gonna
Or
go.
we need to roll it, turn it over.
No,
I think we roll it on the side.
Fuck, you're gonna get fucking everywhere. Nah, you got probably best off lifting it up. I don't know. Because this thing here, even if you roll.
I think if we just... Where is it? I got the... Oh, no, I can't lift from the back now because the diff is disconnected. Oh, it's still there, but yeah.
Poor me. Alright, let's get back to work. Is that the premium coconut one? Alright, so I removed the transmission all by myself, clearly. And now we're going to take off the transmission, I'm at the clutch from the engine.
Nice.
Yeah, it's hopefully it's not more of a pain in the ass, but should be alright. Yeah. Or if anything, you could just like put it up here and just press down here. Like, look, I'll turn the clutch a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, all good. Whoa.
Fuck it. If it feel it goes, go.
Put it to the ground, maybe. Oh, nice.
Oh, is this one longer? It is. Yeah. Go.
Right now, they're trying to figure out which way to unlock a vault.
Hey, we're not there.
Oh, yeah, that's it. Now
Yeah?
pass me the ratchet.
Fuck yeah, I'm hungry.
What do you want for lunch?
Would you like to say what you said earlier? Did you say we're going to get the clutch in?
I said, what do you want for lunch?
Oh, I think my ass just dipped into the fucking tranny fluid.
Nice.
You want me to turn it?
I think this one here. I think they're almost all finger loose anyway. Just 1 second.
Get out. Yeah, two more.
They're all this one, huh?
Nah,
Let's
these
turn
two,
it around.
these two you need to break a little bit.
Like, it needed a new clutch anyway, bro. So, yeah. I mean, I could have just changed the slave cylinder, but, like, it would have just been pointless. Yeah, bro, the car is going to drive so much better after this, honestly.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Damn.
Maybe we should get, I'm going to...
Ooh-la.
in the background. This is a thumbnail right here, bro.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail right here. What? HKS. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. He's not wrong in that one. Never thought in the future. Melo. Chimba. Bro, what are you trying to do? Oh, yeah, right. Bro, move, bro.
Oh yeah. Get in there, baby.
Touch me. Hey, I'll take plastic. I was about to say we should kind of test fit it up. Yeah, I've got.
You can hold it. Lower it down a little bit. Just let it. I know. Oh, fuck. It's not even gonna line up with the holes on this fucking thing. What the fuck? The clutch disc is coming out. Because there's no fucking hole there, bro.
Uh-oh.
What the fuck kind of
I know.
clutches in this fucking thing?
I know. I know.
You want to get a POV of what you're looking at right now, mate?
Oh, bro had zoomed in.
Yeah, well, it's hard to see from here.
If you can even.
Yeah, the super cheap basket.
Might need to change the flywheel, see if it all bolts
Bro,
up.
what the fuck?
Are they different?
Yeah, it seems way smaller. What the fuck? Yeah, on your belly. Just close up that inspection plate. We don't need that one. Alright, that's about as much as we can go. I'm gonna, now you can slide out, I'm gonna lift the car up and I'm gonna push it the rest of the way under. Maybe we should clear some of that shit out from there that we don't need either.
100% I agree.
Like what? Oh,
Like all those cans and
Just
shit.
bring, I think just...
It's a new day, as you can see. The RX-7 is still on jack stands, once again. We're going to properly torque it up and do everything and align it up because we didn't have the alignment tool on the last one. So we'll do the alignment tool and hopefully the RX-7 is working today. So keep you updated. Let's hope. Hold up.
Can you grab it and pull it or not?
This is how big my fucking arms are.
Get a bit closer.
Oh my fucking god.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to... I'm pretty sure the wheel goes the other way. Nah. This bitch isn't coming underneath.
Hi, Mom.
Well, I'm gonna lower it here first, lift it up at the back a bit. 'Cause I don't wanna like...
Oh, you know what we could do?
What?
Me?
Push or pull?
Okay, can you try it? Yep. Okay. I need to pee. I'm gonna take a piss.
Hurry up. You got 30 seconds.
Yes, master.
Smokers over, Nathan. Yeah, no, I'll start doing it with the wrong size.
Hey, pass me the...
Right. Oi, fuck. Hang on. Wait for that truck to go past. That's it.
Oh my fucking...
That bitch is in, bro.
Fuck off.
That was pretty satisfying though, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, what the fuck? For you, cunt, that was the biggest waste of time.
Yeah, but fuck.
Just for us to shut the fuck up.
Yeah, for the fucking YouTube.
What about
YouTube, mate. If this comes apart, it's fine, it's just gonna fall to the ground. If the clutch comes apart, it's gonna fucking cut straight through this bitch. Into my legs.
RX-7 problems. Anyways, we got the car back on the road. Transmission fixed. Yeah. JDM cars. Yeah, we love them. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was an absolute pain in the ass to do a clutch, to redo a clutch on an RX-7, but at the same time we did get there. Number one rule that we learned is buy tools. Not me, Ben should buy some tools, which he did, and it made the job so much easier. It was a pain in the ass to drop that gearbox, but everything just mounted up so well. But it was good fun getting all the homies around. Haven't done it in quite a while, so it was pretty good doing this. Learned a lot about the RX-7 actually. So when I finally get my own RX-7, I know what to do, and as well, of course, I already got help behind it. If you guys haven't already, subscribe, like. Almost at 1,000 subscribers, so join the family. I'll catch you guys in the next video.